Here's line number 23 to get you started with the ta and clap method. Let's see here. Let's go for it. Is the first beat divided? The answer is no. So we're just going to ta on this note. Is the second beat divided? The answer is no. We will ta on this note, hold through, clap to mark where this beat is. Is the third beat divided? The answer is yes. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. How many eighth notes are in a quarter? 2. We're going to account for every eighth note value within this quarter note with a ta or a clap. We have 2 eighth notes, so we'll ta both of them. Is this beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. We'll account for this one with a ta and this one with a clap. Is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. So we're going to have 2 events happen during this quarter note. First one is a ta, second one is a clap. Is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. How many eighth notes are in a quarter? 2. There happen to be 2 eighth notes there, ta and ta. Is the beat divided? No. So we'll just ta on that note. Is the beat divided? No. We'll ta on this note and hold it over and mark the second beat with a clap, or it's really the 1, 2, 3, 4th beat of the full measure in 5/4. So we'll mark this beat with a clap. Is this beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? Eighth note. Count for every eighth note within this beat with a ta or a clap. The first eighth note is on the beat and it will be a clap. The second eighth note gets a ta. Is this beat divided? The answer is no. So let's do this whole thing. You might get sick of me asking all these thoroughness of questions of, of is the beat divided and what's the division and how many eighth notes are in a quarter, but it's going to be very important for you to go through those steps, especially as we get into triplets and into 16th notes later on. They'll pay off. All right, here we go. Study the quarter note pulse. Here we go. Ready and ta 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 ta. Okay. For this line, it might be a little bit difficult because you got to keep those eighth note pulses thinking in your head. Jun 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 jun. So that when you clap on these 2 eighth notes, ta 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 jun jun ta 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 ta. It's got that being placed in the right spots. Last time, here we go. Ta 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 ta.